You're welcome. In this video, let us understand how to make Jewelry Mart online store. It's a web application project demo. We are using ASP.NET with a C# language backend as a SQL server. So we'll show the demo with this technology, but still you can able to make this project in PHP, JSP or in Python. So we all know online marketing is a very common platform and one should learn how to make this. In order to make this, what are the requirements? So particularly we talk about jewelry management or jewelry mart, online jewelry mart in this video. So let's understand the concept, what are the requirements and what are the things should be there in the project, what are the modules are required, that and all we'll discuss here. So any e-commerce project at least minimum have two modules. So one is the admin module, this for the company. The next one is a customer module, where customer can buy the product online. So in order to provide online, so what we can do is admin can log in. So you can go to main page, MP main page. So here we can create the category, product category. Different category of products, particularly when you talk about jewelry. So you can make the jewelries like necklace, rings, bangles, like that categories we can create first. Then we have to create product details. This is the individual product details. So we can provide along with the pictures. So therefore user get a clear picture what the product is, what is the details of it, how much weight, what is the amount. All this we can enter it in the product details from the admin side. Then what happen? So from the customer side, customer has to sign up. Once the customer sign up, then later he can able to log in. Once they log in, now they can able to browse the categories. Browse category. Then if you click the particular category, the list will come, the product list will come. Product list. Or you can go to search straight away. Search. So in a search, okay, what you want to search. So there is a search option. When you click this, the product list will come. So you can have a product list here. So when you select any product, so if you select the particular product, then the product details will come. Product details. So we can read the details. So all the details which is there here. Then based on that you can place an order. Then you have to go to view cart and then you have to complete the process. So on the admin side, who are all the customers sign up? So therefore there is a customer list. There is an order list. In case there is a payment list. So these are the essential things for online project. So all these we are included. Then we'll show the demo. Then you will get a more clear picture how the whole thing can be done. So here I'll show the demo. So let's watch the demo. And if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe because you will learn a lot of things in this channel. And also it's very useful for your job interviews. So therefore you can prepare well, you can attend the job and you can get the job, all possibilities, because you can learn a lot of things over here. Apart from this, we have many other project demos. So when you have time, please watch them. So when you click subscribe, you'll be subscribed to our channel. So this subscription is very free. So it's totally free. You don't need to pay anything. And once you subscribe, so you can able to access our channel as and when is required. And whenever you post our new videos, you could able to it will appear on the main screen. Therefore, you can able to watch them. Right. When you click videos, you can see that a lot of project related videos are there. So when you have time, please browse all the videos. Therefore, you'll get a lot of benefits from each video. And if you watch 3-4 videos of each particular project, then you'll get a lot of idea about the project, like how to make the project, how to implement, what are things are essential. So a lot of things we are explaining in each project, you'll get the benefit. Now we'll move on. So let's discuss about this project. So this is the online mart. So here is a jewelry mart, and these are the files which are using in this particular project. Correspondingly, we have a database here, and these are the tables in the database. So this is a server explorer, this is a SQL server, and it's already tables are created. So everything is done and all the pages also is created. So the page start with the default. So the first page is the default. Here you can see that. So this is the pictures we already added here. So this is what image 1, and there is a one more image here, and we are also using the master page here. So for the top you are using one more picture here. So that is the master page 1. There is a master page 2 for the client side. So there is a picture here, and we can write two different pictures for client side and as well as the admin side. That is also is possible. Right. So next we go to default 2. So here we have provided a link to log in to admin or customer login, or you can continue shopping here. So default 3. So customer sign up, or if your customer need to sign up, you can sign up from here, or you want to log in, there is options for the login also, and the admin login is provided on the top. Right. So and then you can see the category. So like how to enter the category data. So here there are two text field. One is text 1, other one is the text 2. When you click save button, so you can take to the code window. Here we'll check whether this particular record is already present or not. If not, we're going to insert the record here. Insert into category table, and this is the text box 1 data and text box 2 data. So we'll create a SQL statement that will be executed. Once it's executed, it will come to the category table. So all these are explained in detail in a different videos. Please keep watch our channel to understand the whole concept. Next is the category list. What are the entries are done, I want to show it on screen. That can be done with a grid view. So the grid view will be linked to the database. Okay, so we can link with this option. So it's already done. So we also have a separate videos like how to do all these things. Please keep watch our channel. And here I'll show the demo now. So how the whole project works. Okay, so let's select this and let's run this. So here is the main page, that is a default.axpx. AXPX. So we can continue with here. So you can click here. So it will show you like admin login, customer login. So we'll take to admin login. So here you need to log in with the admin credentials. So this is admin. So login. So here all the options. Okay, category details. We can enter the categories. New categories you can enter and we can save. Then we go to category list. What are the categories already entered? That list will come. The next is the product details. So what is the product code, product name, their detail, and then what are the categories. So which are the categories already entered? The list is available over here. We can choose one, and then the price, then the picture. So if it's already done, so we can have a list here. The list will come. Then customers, who are all the customers signed up, so that list will come here. Then order list, when the customer places an order, the list will come here. So order, payment and address, if they are make the payment, so we can able to see the payment over here. So totally it's 5 lakh cash and delivery. So then returns to RAM only. So please deliver to RAM only. They can give the instructions also. That is the delivery instructions. Fine. What we'll do is we'll copy the main address. So this is the main address. So then we take to one more tab and then paste it here and press enter. Again you'll come to the main page. Now we'll go to customer login. So here if you want to sign up, you can go to sign up, or you can have an ID, you can log in here. So it logs in here. So we can have a list here. Okay, so these are categories, these are the products. With the product is more than you need to have multiple pages, so checking where may be difficult. So what we can do is we can go and place the order here. So therefore we get the category. So when you get the category, then list will come, that particular category list will come. Now we want ring. Okay, so select the ring. So the ring picture will appear on the screen, and this is the details of the ring. Okay, so it costs you 20,000 rupees. So how many quantities you want? You want one quantity. So place an order. So your order is placed, and then once if you want to continue, you can go to search and continue with this. If it's over, we can go to view cart. So in the view cart you have one product, and this is the total money. Then how do you make the payment? Cash on delivery or credit card, bank transfer, what it is you need to say. So can bank transfer, transaction number, right? So if you give the transaction number, they can cross verify. So here is the delivery address where it has to be delivered, and there is a delivery instructions you can give to the instructions. Give it to Sanjay. Right, so you can confirm the order now. So your order ID will be generated and your total money is also generated. You can click home, so you'll come back to home here. Now on the other side, if you come to order delivery, so you can see that 1003 A1 ring 20 and all. If you select this, means that we send the product and this is delivered. Now if you come to here, it's a delivered list. You can see that delivery list means that the product is delivered to this particular person. Right, then FAQ list is there. So like any questions, common questions and all, we can enter it from the admin. Right, so you can enter the question and answer. So the same question and answer will be displayed over here. So these are the things which are provided at this moment in this particular project. For entry level, I think it's a good project. This is how we are supposed to complete the whole project without any errors. So we in the next video, probably in a short time, so we'll explain complete coding of this video, because that will take a little long time. So therefore now we are demonstrating, but later we'll show you the code, like how to write this. Keep watching. Thank you very much.